Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting product that can truly transform the way you harness solar energy for your home or outdoor adventures. We found this remarkable solar inverter kit online, and we've added the link in the description for you to check out the latest price and availability. Introducing the 4000W 6000W Complete Solar Inverter Kit. This comprehensive home power system is designed to convert 12V solar energy into usable 110V or 220V power, making it ideal for a range of applications. Whether you're looking to power appliances at home or need a reliable energy source while camping, this kit has you covered. Let's take a closer look at its standout features. First up, the power inverter itself delivers an impressive output of either 4000W or 6000W peak power, with a continuous power rating of 300W or 500W, respectively. It comes equipped with a free cigarette lighter and 2 battery clips, ensuring convenient connections and versatility. Another significant highlight is the 50A charge controller included in the kit, which efficiently manages the power flow. The LED digital display is a thoughtful addition, providing real-time insights into battery status, including warnings for undervoltage, overvoltage, and even overload conditions. This feature not only enhances safety but also allows you to monitor the system easily. Durability is also a key aspect of this solar kit. The solar panel is designed to be waterproof, making it resilient against harsh weather conditions. You can rely on it whether it's sunny or rainy, which is particularly beneficial for long-term outdoor use. Now, who is this product suitable for? If you're an outdoor enthusiast who enjoys camping, this solar inverter kit can be a game changer. You can charge your car battery, power small appliances, or even use it to keep your devices charged while you enjoy the great outdoors. Additionally, it's perfect for anyone looking for backup power during unexpected outages. It provides a reliable energy source when you need it most. In practical use cases, imagine setting up your campsite without worrying about running out of battery. With this system, you can keep your lights on, charge your devices, and enjoy the comforts of home even when you're miles away. Alternatively, use it at home to run essential appliances during a blackout, giving you peace of mind and security.